garnish friends, welcome to my cozy crochet corner. Today we're going to stitch a beautiful strawberry applique together. I've crocheted two in different colors. Red one is cute and also this one. For this project I've used Alize cotton gold yarn and 2.5mm crochet hook. For the leaves, if you want to have bigger size of leaves, you can use the same number of crochet hook. But I've used a smaller crochet hook size for the leaves. I've used 1.5mm crochet hook. And you can use any type of yarn available. So grab your yarn, the favorite hook, and let's dive in. To begin, make a magic ring. Chain 1 to secure. For chaining, yarn over and pull it through the loop on the hook. 6 single crochet into the ring. For single crochet, insert the hook into the ring, pull up the yarn. 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops. This is 1 single crochet. Continue until you have 6 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now close the ring and slip a stitch on top of the first single crochet. This is my first single crochet and this is the top part of my single crochet. You can see. And for a slip stitch, insert the hook into this stitch, pull up the yarn, 2 loops on the hook, pull this yarn through the loop on the hook. Round 1 is over. For round 2, chain 1, 2 single crochet into the same stitch, the stitch right below the chain here. This is my first stitch right below. 2 single crochet inside. 1, 2. 2 single crochet in each stitch. By the end, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. At the end you will have 12 single crochet. 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. I have 12 single crochet. Slip a stitch on top of the first single crochet. This is my first single crochet and a slip stitch. Round 3, chain 1, 1 single crochet into this first stitch, 2 single crochet into next one. In fact, I'm going to have an increase into next stitch. By increase, I mean having 2 single crochet into one stitch. So 1 and 2 stitches into this one. 1 single crochet in next stitch, increase into next one. 1 and 2. 1 single crochet in next, 3 single crochet into next stitch, 1, 2, and 3, all 3 into 1, 1 single crochet in next, 2 single crochet in next, 1 single crochet in next, 2 single crochet in next, 1 single crochet into the remaining stitches. It's 3 stitches, and I'm going to have 1, 2, and 3 single crochet. Now slip a stitch on top of the first single crochet, and this is round 3. Round 4, chain 1 single crochet into this first stitch, 1 single crochet into next, 2 single crochet into next stitch, 1 and 2, 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches, 1, 1, 1, and 1. Half double crochet into next stitch. For half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into this stitch, pull up the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, put it through all 3 loops. Into next stitch, I'm going to have 3 stitches. The first one is a half double crochet. Next one is double crochet. For double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into this same stitch, pull up the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. Another half double crochet into the same stitch. Okay, so I'm having a half double crochet, half double crochet, all 3 stitches into this center stitch. 1 half double crochet into next stitch. Single crochet in next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 single crochet into next stitch, and into next 4 stitches 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. And this is my strawberry. Fasten off, and let's go for crocheting the leaves. For the leaves, I'm using a smaller crochet hook size, 1.5 millimeter crochet hook, because I want the leaves to be smaller. You can use the normal crochet hook size, or you can use a thinner type of yarn. And let's start. Create a slip knot, and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First, I'm creating the stem. Skip the first chain, slip a stitch into the second chain, from the hook, slip a stitch into the next chain, and continue slip stitching into the next 2 chains. In fact, I'm having 4 slip stitches. Okay, this is the stem. For the leaves, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip the first chain, into the second chain slip stitch, slip stitch into the third chain, and slip stitch into the base of the stem. This is my stem, and here I'm going to have a slip stitch at the center of this stem, and repeat this pattern for creating as many leaves as you like. Chaining 3, skipping the first chain, slip stitch into the second chain. Oh my god, I ruined it. Okay, let's do it again. Slip stitch into the second chain and into the third chain, and slip stitch into this base. Again, chain 3, slip stitch to the second and third, and into the base. This is enough for me. Now we can fasten off with a bit longer tail for later sewing, and you can sew it on the strawberry right here. You can add leaves if you like, and this is my stem, and it would be like this. Thanks for crocheting with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love so more yarn lovers can join us. Until next time, happy crocheting!